Hello. No, look a mess. I guarantee that I will improve my appearance by next week. Um, I had planned not to give a broadcast today, like anytime soon, because what happened was I sent page 2 and page 1 to Start Engine investors. I got a message. I got a message from Start Engine. I got a message from, I guess, one of the Chinese representatives because his name was, I don't even remember his name, but I remember his name was a Chinese name. And I read his email message. And, well, I read part of it. And it said something about, well, I'll tell you what happened here. I'm the founder of this concept. I may have misunderstood it, understood what they were saying before I began this project with them. My understanding was that the founder, would get $4,000. And so I, when I sent the last pitch page to them yesterday, the message they sent me, it said something about mine not fitting in. So I really didn't read the message. But then I got another email message from them today. I, what I thought I would do, I said, look, I'm too old to play games with people. You either want to get down or you want to get down. If you don't want to get down, I don't need you to get down because I can get down. Because you know why I can get down? You know why I can get down? You know why? Because I got God behind me. So if they want to play games, they can play their games. But if you want to get down, I can get down. So I don't know what these guys are thinking because I'm me and I will be me. I will not be thee. Do you see? So if they want to get down with me on this concept, I will continue. What I did was all my emails and all my email boxes, I just deleted them because I said, let me see what these guys got to say. I didn't read the message because there were other things. There were other things that I was doing. There are other things that I am doing. So I read the email from uh, Start Engine, and it wasn't kosher because I'm thinking, as I understood it, I'm thinking that out front that they're gonna throw $4,000 at me. Maybe I misunderstood them. I don't know, but I got another email from uh, Start Engine. So what I'll do is I'll wait. I'll wait and see what happens. Yeah, I guess you call it negotiation. I don't know, but if if you want to do business, we do business. If they don't want to do business, hey man, power that I have behind me cannot be beaten. So whether they say nay or yay, Musau Corner Consulting USA, The seed has already been planted. Now, let's see what happens to the tree and the fruit that it bears. This is Musau MattmeachamJR. I'm looking at myself. I, I'm, I promise, I promise my viewing audience that in 3 to 4 days, I'll do something about all this. I need a haircut. I need to do something about that. I think, well, I think what I'll do now, I have to put on my leather. I better pull my leather out because I think it's time to get down. This is Musau MattmeachamJR. Muhammad, Providence, Rhode Island, USA, 2022, November 29. Check it out. I'll get back with you. And I think that I will continue to do broadcasts at the same time that I'm working on my project. While I'm working on 10 million American dollars, I think I do them everything. I just do everything at the same time. This is Musau MattmeachamJR signing out for now.